County, which followed closely at 95%. Now, these results reflect how we are working in Rukungiri.
Intekatekeji neza kuchingaho ibirashatu na kimwe byo kwezo ku 12 kandi ganyira bihinji abakwika umurigana nkaga na batano aha bihinji bina 20 ababire bashabire district ya Rukungiri abaganyirwe umuntekatekeji basimire ngo amezi guhwerere kutungura umutindo g'ubuhinji Wilberforce ahimsuwe ongo munashobora kwa mezaga gabere guhwerere munonga bihinji obwahatugaza kwihoho ayashaba government kwebasa kugira eki yakoraho gabase kugarukaho
program ya micro irrigation scheme ibumize mukoze riyone koraje abantu benyigire mu mpinga irrigation scheme zizimo byaro zijyakora kandi n'abantu nibwo babatandika kugitegereza kujemerezo gwiro kuyamba nanisha ba government
Haj Masoko Iswalika waswa urukura abakoza wa district ya Rukungiri asimira abakozi be abo murimo murunje gubakozire hato yabe hanangiriza kubabasa kushomesa abihinji okubakubasa kubika sente cyubayambeho kubasa kwetungura.
So I want to make an appeal to all people of Rukungiri and farmers to take production very, very serious. Production is the only means through which we can change and transform our societies. And we have been appealing to people to produce goods and services. These two things are the ones we sell to the market to earn money. And irrigation gives you a chance to produce all the time. Because wealth creation needs constant addition and constant work.
Engineer Tendo James Kasozi kuruga ministry asimire district ya Rukungiri kuba icyo kureberaho mu ihanga ryona aha bashoborere kwaruho amatsko go kutunga ubuhumbi mushanju program y'igitaka cinjireho aha birashatu na kimwe byo kwezo ku 12 aha shoborere kunabo abataganyirwe mu ntekatekeji nobaza kutunga.
Because they reproduce much and also market. I think perhaps you know your position before. It is district production and marketing officer. So even the market aspect falls under you. So we need to see that these farmers are not exploited because you know we have the middlemen who take advantage of these farmers of ours. So let's have our roles really being outlined well so that we improve our farmer revenues.
Bo abihinji abaganyiro mu ntekatekeji borekero kushemerwa kwa mani kwa mezaga gabuhwerire gumana bihinga ubwire bona ecubayambereho kongera ahantasiya yabo.
Nyowe na family yanje tukabenefitinga aha program eji ya micro scale irrigation scheme kandi kwihana tubona amizago gatiyambere ga increasing production abo kuba obenjora negwa obomushana nugujo ito tugumiza mu nebihingwa byitu bigenda umisha
tuba sprinkler na hose kandi tuyikoresa mukinge utoke yuka monyanya irumari hose ni dukoresa mukinge kibiro cyo kugira ngo mufeeding lento muzero grazing kandi kuyani dukoresa ingea bazimagana n'umunonga abo kwanyenge production sarawut kwanyenge nesente zirabengera
ahabwa kujya mu tunamizi gakumara konka nkomisha no gubegurho obwire tutakuza kubasa tutine irrigation konka abo kujya ngo tutine irrigation tutiyambere munonga kurango enyamishwa zitu ebihingwa byitu twabasa kubaho.
Thank you for leading the way and also showing the way.
Gasha kwa Smart Robert Mugabi umuru Rukungiri.